This is Neeraj Chadda, and as requested by many of you, today we are going to see how to zoom into an object in a movie inside Adobe Premiere. So I'd like to show you what we are going to learn today. So this is what we are going to learn today: how to zoom in into an object in a movie.
Health, hunger, animality, anger, humanity, rapture, learning.
All right. So for this, first of all, I'm going to remove this. I'll show you from the beginning. So first of all, we are going to import a video in which I'm going to show you how to zoom in. So let's take this video. It's a flower garden. I'm going to drag and drop this into my timeline, and let's see what do we have to do in this. So in this, I'd like to say zoom into this particular object. So what I'll do, I'll place my playhead here, go to FX control, click on this, go to FX control. I'll click on the position and scale and drag it a bit. Then I'll use my motion transform tool and zoom in to the object where I have to go to. I'll scale this further. Alright, and now after a couple of frames I have to zoom it out. So I just click on reset parameter, and it'll get zoomed out. Let's see what it is. So that's about it. I'd like to show this to you once more. I'll remove my keyframes from here. I'll place my playhead here. Click on add keyframe in position, add keyframe on scale. And in case you don't see the effect control window here, all you have to do is just click on this and it'll appear in the FX control panel. I'll move the player head slightly and I'll scale in, and I'll move this here and then move the playhead further and then zoom it out. If I don't zoom it out, I don't want to zoom it out, I just click on reset. So let's see. So that's about it. I hope you learned something out of this, how to zoom in into a portion of the video and then zoom out.